There's Tigger trying to catch a mole. Dirty faced dog. Just going at her. Just digging the dirt. That's just flying. There he is trying to catch the mole. Hey, Tigger. Catch him, Tigger. Get him, Tigger. Get him, Tigger. Tigger, get him. Here, get him here. Catch him. Huh? Catch him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where's the mole? Where's the mole? Where's the mole? Where is he? There he is, Tigger. There he is. Here. Here. There's the hole Tigger dug. Yeah, trying to catch him. Hole was just a small, no hole there to start with, and Tigger's made it. He is making a mess. He's going to need a bath. You get him, Tigger. You get that mole. You get that mole. There. Did you find him? Huh? Come on, Tigger. Find him. Get that mole. Is he in a hole? Huh? He back in there? Huh? Digging the Grand Canyon trying to catch this thing. And the dirt's just flying. He has perseverance like you never saw before. When you get back, see the dirt flying. He's having a great time. Never seen anybody work so hard at getting nowhere. He's going to be a mole when he's finished. Totally. He is absolutely filthy. There. See in there? See in the hole? Huh? He'll be here all day, huh? Hole's bigger than Tigger now. Tigger. Going to be exhausted after this. Got got to be a fresh molehill. He caught one last year. It wasn't as this extensive though. Ready to go home? Eh? You don't seem to want to go home. You just keep digging till there's nothing left of this hillside. Even let me walk all the way home and get the camera to do this. And he's having a ball. Used to get bathed in the kitchen sink. Yeah. This is funny. Yeah, just making it fly. He is not giving up. He is making one mess. He is persistent, I have to admit that. He's having a great time. Yeah, look at him dig. I wouldn't want to be the mole. That might be quite the movie. Oh, bigger than Tigger now. You about ready to give up anytime, dog? We gotta go home. He is a very focused dog right now. It's an enormous hole he's digging. He's not giving up though. Been at this for about 10 minutes already, 15 minutes. I even had enough time to go home and get this camera before I watch him. Oh, he's getting there. He thinks he's got her beat, Digger. Huh? Ready to quit? Not quitting, eh? helping the mole more than he's doing anything for himself. Ready to go home? Hmm? No, trail's getting longer. Going deeper now. Go home. I've never seen him so focused on anything in my life as this. Keeps going and going and going. There was no hole to start with. It's now like a canyon he's digging. Be a trap for anybody walking through. Want to go home, Tigger? Look at you. Filthy pig. You're filthy, Tigger. You're dirty. Let's go home. Ready to go home? Huh? You're about exhausted? Huh? Guess not. You're on a trail of a mole. Here, go home. Ready? Back in the hole. There we go again. Back in the hole again. It's like he's digging his own grave. Bigger than he is. And for a surprise, he catches the mole. That's quite the hole. He's having a ball. Huh. Huh. Come on, Tigger, let's go home. Ready? I think he's starting to get a little bit tired. You're not going to have a mole for dinner, that's for sure. He caught the other one last year a lot easier than this. He didn't have to dig as much. This is what little dogs are for, burrowing in holes. He is absolutely filthy. We're going to run out of camera time here pretty quick. Another 10 minutes of this dirty little dog washing. Ready? There he goes again. Now another attack. He's going to be halfway downtown before he gets them through the day. He got quite angry with me when I picked him up before I tried to take him away. He growled at me. I think he's kind of tapering off now. He's ready to go home. Ready to go home? Did he go up that way? Huh? Come on, let's go home. You're filthy. You're filthy. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. Come on, go home.